So MVB, the minimum viable business, is a very good concept. It gave us a framework to think, and we could easily identify the spots in which we are lacking today.
Very structured and organized event, outstanding value for money, highly recommended.
And learn was a sea change in the way we look at unit economics and the way the business model has to be done.
Rethink a lot of assumptions that we had made, some good networking, great learning, and a wonderful experience.
So it gave me a lot of insights into my product, what I should be thinking and what actions I need to take.
The whole event has been stitched around giving us an experiential learning throughout.
The talk about disruptions was an eye-opener. Takeaway is the difference between growing a tomato plant, which is a non-scalable business, versus growing a paneer tree, which is a scalable business.
It helps a lot, it builds a lot of confidence. I'm sure when I go back, the team will feel more motivated of the work that they are doing.
I completely understand the importance of the frameworks to be used in the technology to increase your productivity, to reach out to the goals or to implement what you actually want. We were in search of similar frameworks for the business model as well, and we found the answer in Forge.
If you were to sum it up, my experience in one word, it's mind-blowing. I felt like I'd done a mini MBA in the last 48 hours.
To bring in all our learnings and beyond that into one big picture so that we can actually structure that into what we are trying to build.
The Forge Accelerator, and it was an intense learning experience.
The things that I've learned here are frankly very unquantifiable value to my business, priceless as they say.
Because ultimately a startup is a business, and a business has to make money, and that thing was properly drilled into me. Thank Forge for conducting this bootcamp.
3 takeaways: proof of product, proof of business, proof of scale. The 3 most important things you've got to focus on as a startup. Thanks.